Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Now, let's open the app menu on our watch. You can do it by swiping left on the home screen, basically on the current watch face. And here we have it. This is the, this is the app menu. Basically, in this menu you have the list of icons or rather applications installed on your watch. And we can customize this menu. To do it, we can scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings we can scroll down, tap on preferences, and here we can scroll down, find the option called app list and tap on it. And as you can see, we have the list of applications. And we can do, on the watch we can do one thing. We can basically change the order of the apps, move them up or down on the list. To do it, simply find the app you want to move, tap on it to select it, and then you can swipe up and down on the screen to move it to the place you want to, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm and move it like this. So the alarm should be right here, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And if we open the app menu, as you can see, the alarm was moved right here. You can customize this menu even further, but to do that you will need to use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So if you have the watch paired with a phone, you can bring the phone to the equation. So let's grab the phone, zoom out so you can see the whole screen. Like this, move this to the side, move our phone right here and our watch right here, like that. Now let's open the app application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select the T Rex 2 from the list of devices, and on this page, find the app list management. Tap on it, and here we have the list of the apps on our watch. And as you can see, we have two categories. We have the first one and the second one, more category. And in the app we can do more things than on the watch. For example, on the watch we could only move the applications, but in the app we can hide them, unhide them, and also we can move them. So for example, let's say you want to have less applications on the list. You can basically tap on the minus button next to applications, like that. To hide them, they will appear on the list right here, hidden items. And once you tap on save, the settings will save on your watch and you can wake up screen, and as you can see, the icons are gone. You can unhide the items. So if you tap on app management, scroll down to the list hidden items and then unhide them like this, and then you can tap on save. And once you unhide them, they will by default appear in the more category, so you need to tap on more, and here we have them somewhere, as you can see. Okay, well, no, they're not here, but if you tap save, okay, we didn't tap save for the options to save, but once you tap save, they will appear right here. And you can also hide or unhide the items in the more category. So if you open the app list management, for example, let's say I want to move sleep to the more category, you can simply press and hold on the sorting button next to this item you want to move. This is the sorting button. Once you press and hold on it, you can move the app through the list. And once you drop it in more category, tap on save, it will disappear from the main page of the menu, and then you will need to tap on more to see it right here. You can also move the items through the list, of course. So let's open the app management list. Let's say we want to have the stress at the top. You can press and hold on the sorting button, Come on, grab it. It's a bit wonky sometimes. No, this time it grabbed it. Let's move it to the top, like this. And for example, in the more category, let's move the stopwatch to the top. Like this. And once you save the settings, the changes should be applied. So the, come on, stress should be at the top, right here. And the stopwatch should be at the top of the more list. And that's basically how you customize the app menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.